Absolutely. Yep. What else?
Because she's had so many past lives, she's heard a lot of different things. Most of the homes that she was in weren't very positive.
Hi, babe.
The one family went through a divorce, so she'll tell me, take everything, take it all. Then she'll be like, I remember the password.
What?
Oscar has 3 different voices. One is almost like Goofy. Then she has this robotic voice.
What's your problem? What?
Then some days she's a teenage girl.
What are you doing up still? I put you to bed like a half an hour ago.
Oscar had a few different homes before me.
Are you looking at your boxes?
One of her old owners got into some health issues. She didn't have a lot of feathers on her chest because she had a lot of anxiety. She was about 20 years old. So he asked me if I would adopt her. When I met her, we clicked instantly. I put my arm out and she stepped up immediately. She only had grapes in her past life. So we started vegetables right away. And now she's really flourished. She tells me when she wants to be picked up and when she wants to be put to bed. She comes to work with me.
Today is the first day of work for Oscar, and she's very excited.
She has a car seat beside me, so we usually dance and listen to music. She gets so excited. If I'm having a bad day, she will hug me. I will put her on my left arm and she likes to put her head right on my heart. Our bond is a forever bond. I can't imagine my life without her.
I love you. Aww.